Welcome! In front of me is a OnePlus 12R, and today I will show you how you can set up your portable hotspot and also enable it. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages we should have our hotspot toggle, so if it's not visible in the first one you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional page. And this is where the toggle is located for me. Now once you see it, if you're doing this the first time around, you will need to hold it. Well, technically you don't need to, but without navigating in here, which is the settings, by holding it, you can check the hotspot password. Now by default it is randomly generated, so you have no way of knowing what it is set to without actually navigating in here. Now I do recommend selecting that, the hotspot settings, and then getting rid of this password, just because it is, truth be told, trash. And from there you can select your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters or numbers, it doesn't really matter. And you have additional settings in here, like the hotspot name, the AP band, hide hotspot, and also use Wi-Fi 6. So you can customize them to fit your needs, but if you don't know what these do, I do recommend keeping them as they are, set by default. That will ensure that your hotspot will basically work with almost any device. Now from there, click on Save button and find the toggle, tap on it to enable it, and you're good to go. You can now connect to your hotspot. Now once you're done with it, you will need to remember to turn it off, as there was no option to turn it off automatically, if I remember correctly. Oh no, never mind, it's right here. So it does actually turn off automatically after 10 minutes of an activity, so that's a good option to have enabled. So obviously you can also turn it off manually by tapping on the toggle once more, but if you forget about it, the device will do it for you, so no need to worry about it. Now the reason I'm pointing that out is because hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, so if you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background. Now with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.